In this last video, we will see how to export our chairlift or gondola lift project from InfraWorks to Civil3D to create shop drawings. So let's go to presentation share. So we will create an IMX file. So we will create a polygon. You could import a shapefile if you already have one, for example, but here I will create manually. So I will put in a view to get my project, and then I will click at the top to create my polygon. Of course, here I create a rectangle, but I could have created more complex shape if needed. Here, and then I export. So when it's done, I open Civil3D. I will import my IMX here. So after I will clean the line which is not needed for this project outside of my project zone here. After I will just verify that I'm the reference, so I can display the hybrid map here coming from Bing. So here I can change my scale, so it will update all my text and annotation. So after I will remove it here. So as you can see, you have already the project done in InfraWorks. You can move to 3D here with raster. So here I can look in detail every component with the Civil3D viewer, like you can see here. Here I will create a profile view of my chairlift along the alignment. To find out more about how to modify profile style, you can look at the link in the description. Now, any update made within InfraWorks can be used to quickly update my Civil3D detailed drawing. And to make it easier, I will split my screen here to have the 2D and the 3D or the plan view on the side, and to be able to create documentation based on this, and maybe to adjust the alignment or what is needed, like you can see. And then I can update in InfraWorks if needed, or just print this document here. Thank you for watching.